guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to make rakhis that are not out of resin, and also how, if you have less time and you can't afford to make something like resin and all of that, and if you don't know the technique also, this is something that most of these come readily available and all you have to do is join them. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So let's just get started. So as I told you, I get my stuff from my own store, but I live away from home, so my mom ships it to me. So in this I've got a few charms, if you can see, a few rakhi threads that come like this, some motis that I don't think I'll be needing for this video, but still, these rakhi bands, and a few rakhi charms. So today I'm making these rakhis not for selling purposes, because I don't sell like rakhis that are, and also jump rings. So I don't normally sell rakhis with charms and all. I normally sell resin rakhis, but I might. So first I'll make something out of these, and then I'll put them on my page. So let's just get started, and I'll show you what kind of rakhis I'm going to make. First I'll show you what charms rakhis I'm going to make. So for that I've got these charms that I selected from my own vendor, and I bought because I wanted my brothers to have these rakhis specifically. Of course, I put it on my page, and if you want to buy it for your own brother, you can, or even the raw materials, that's your choice. I'll also put down the price of everything so that you can plan accordingly. So now I've taken a plier. So what I'm going to do is, can you see, these are such good quality bands, and they're one of my favorite things. So this is what I've planned, like this and the initial. Oh yeah, like this. So like this. So like my brother's name is Divyansh, so that's why a D and this. And one band is of this color because one of my brothers is older, so dark blue won't like very suit him. So that's why this color. So now I'll show you. First, let's get to the prices. This charm is 25 rupees each on my store where I sell raw materials. This band is 60 rupees each, and these jump rings come like for 2 rupees each piece, and this initial is also like 10 rupees each. Okay, so I put the prices so that there's not too much of a confusion. So our first step would be taking the jump ring, of course. I hope you can see. I just zoomed. Take a jump ring, open it. You can actually even directly attach your charm, so let me try doing that. Even I'm making these like for the first time, so even I'm experimenting. So let's see how it goes. In the other side, because I want to put like an initial, I will be taking a jump ring, putting the initial in the jump ring and keeping it aside. Then I will be opening this, putting in my initial first, closing this. First I'll close it, then I'll be putting it in this, and I'll let it slide. Then I'll put the other side of the bro. You have to be very careful. It can be tricky if you're a first timer, because it keeps coming off, but that's okay. See, and then can you see how I've closed it? Now see. So now when I put this rakhi on, if you see, it comes like this. So now they just have to wear it, see, like this. They just have to, can you see, push this to their size and wear it like this. Can you see how good it looks? I like it. So now I'll make the others also like this with different initials. One I will be making without any initial, and one I'll be making, the other two I'll be making with initial. So follow the same process. I'll show it to you once more without the initial as well. So repeat the same for the other 4. I won't be showing that right now. So this is how these rakhis look. I've made all the 4 that I wanted to make for my own brothers, but I'm also planning to put this on my page. So if you like it, please go and buy from the shop. The link will be in the bio. And also, if you like this video and found this helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and also comment down below what other kind of videos would you like to see. Thank you. See you in the next video.